Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on iOS. Since Fortnite is not directly on the App Store, cloud gaming is your best bet. These services stream the game to your device, letting you enjoy the action. You'll need a strong, reliable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, to ensure a smooth and lag-free experience. This method opens up a world of gaming possibilities right on your iPhone or iPad. One excellent option is Xbox Cloud Gaming. Simply open your web browser on your iOS device and navigate to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website. You'll need a Microsoft account to sign in, but the good news is Fortnite is completely free to play through this service. It's a fantastic way to jump into the Battle Royale action without any downloads. Another powerful choice is NVIDIA GeForce Now. This service also allows you to stream Fortnite directly to your iOS device via your web browser. While there's a free tier, a premium subscription provides benefits like extended session lengths and improved graphical fidelity. For the best control, consider connecting a compatible Bluetooth game controller. To get the most out of your cloud gaming experience, always use a strong Wi-Fi connection, ideally a 5 GHz network, to minimize any input lag. A good Bluetooth controller will also dramatically improve your precision and overall enjoyment. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.